Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, hauls, reviews, etc. So if this is something which interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if you don't know, this video is about this newly launched brand, or I will say newly launched line by Clovia, that is Clovia Botanica. Now we all know the brand Clovia. This brand Clovia is India's #1 women's innerwear company, and they have innerwear to sleepwear and many things on their brand. And I have been shopping from this particular website, I think, since times immemorial, and I was very happy when they launched their skincare and hair care line. So I was very excited to try this out, and I am fortunate enough that the brand got in touch with me. They asked me to pick out 4 products from them, and I have got these 4 products to try out from their line, and I'm here to tell my honest opinion, and I want to give information about this brand. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So regarding Clovia Botanica, this is a newly launched line by the brand Clovia, and this particular line, it just focuses on the new moms and babies and also women like us. So I have got their 4 products. One is their anti-hair fall range, and I have also got one mask. So also their product range is vegan, 100% natural, mineral oils free, sulfate free, paraben free, vegan, cruelty free. Also they have used essential oils in proper manner. Essential oils are not bad for your skin and hair, especially if it is formulated in a proper way. So they have utilized all the good stuffs and they have come up with their line. Also, this video is not sponsored. I have just received the products and my review is 100% honest. Now the very first thing which I have is this. This is the Clovia Botanica's 10-in-1 hair oil. It is anti-hair fall oil. Also it has 10 ingredients which works amazingly for your hair. The fragrance is so Ayurvedic, it just feels super duper light on your head. Also the fragrance, like I told you, it is very Ayurvedic. Again, it is harmful chemical free, it is mineral oil free, it does not have any sulfates, any parabens or any toxic elements. It has many oils such as onion seed oil, curry leaf extract, castor oil, almond oil, rosemary oil, and it also has grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sesame oil, etc. And the bottle is also looking pretty. The color is from the mixture of the oils. They haven't used any artificial color, so this particular oil is 100% vegan and color free. So now let's move forward towards the part where I'll show you how to apply this, in what manner, and some more information about this particular product.
So as I told you, it has 10 oils. So onion seed oil improves blood circulation and ensures thicker and stronger hair. And sesame oil, it helps with dry and itchy scalp. Castor oil promotes hair growth. Jojoba oil nourishes brittle and damaged hair and reduces hair fall. The texture is also very light. Vitamin E improves hair texture. Tea tree unclogs the pores. Rosemary stimulates hair follicles. Grapeseed oil retains natural shine. Hibiscus oil thickens hair and adds volume. Curry leaf oil strengthens hair follicles and reduces hair fall. And lastly, marula, it moisturizes hair. So I like to apply it on my scalp directly and massage a bit. Make sure to massage this oil on your head and leave it for at least 2 hours, or you can also leave it overnight. The texture is very thin, and that's how I like to do it. After this, I shampoo my hair.
Now when I use this, telling you my experience, I am suffering from hair fall. So this particular oil, it is so lightweight on my hair that I can leave it overnight, because some oils are very heavy that you can't use it on your hair because it is so heavy. This is not at all heavy. This is so good. This will provide the right hydration. I just like to massage it on my head in a circular motion, and the aroma feels so good, as if I am having special treatment. So that's how I felt about it. Now after this I have their anti-hair fall shampoo. So I took the anti-hair fall range because I was suffering from hair fall. Now I really like the packaging of this because this has a pump packaging. It is super duper convenient. Now coming to towards this product, again it is sulfate free, paraben free, any harmful toxic elements free. It has neem, tea tree oil and wheat germ extract. That is the protein you get for your hair. Now let me tell you what I feel about this product. That when I applied this is a very good texture. It is not very thick in consistency and it has a very mild fragrance. So when I applied this, it did cleansed my hair very nicely. It did not leave any residue of oil, and it made my scalp very clean, I would say, very clear as well, and it did not make my hair frizzy. Like you can see, this is my second day here, and you can see the frizz is not there. It definitely took care of all of those. And also this particular shampoo does not strip off your hair oil. That is very important for our scalp. It does not strip off the oil of your hair, of your scalp rather. So it feels very hydrating on my scalp. They claim that it helps in curbing the hair loss, and it promotes the hair growth. So all in all, I would say that it is a good product, but I need to use it more to see the end results. But right now I am really liking it.
Clovia Botanica Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo has neem, jojoba oil, tea tree, wheat protein, rosemary extract, lavender extract and peppermint extract. Controls hair breakage and frizz, reduces hair loss and helps in hair regrowth, cleanses the hair and prevents split ends. And it has a very mild fragrance which fades away after some time. The texture is not very runny, has a very creamy consistency which lathers very easily. So now how I like to use it, I use it with water and apply on my hair and wash it off. As you can see, it lathers well and my hair feels very soft and cleansed after I use this shampoo.
Now next one is the anti-hair fall conditioner. So again, these two are matching products. So you can see this comes in the same packaging with the pump. It has jojoba, rosemary and vitamin E. So regarding this conditioner, it has a very good and milky and creamy texture. So when I apply this on the ends of my hair feels very hydrated, and it feels that I have applied a leave-in conditioner. So it is so good for that. And they also have keratin in this conditioner. So keratin, we all know that keratin is very good for the frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, this has keratin. So this is going to curb the frizziness. As you can see, this is my second day hair wash, and my hair are really frizzy. So it has done something for my hair. I can very well say that. So again, my favorite has to be the hair oil and the conditioner because I love these two.
Now the conditioner, it reduces hair fall and adds volume, smooths the frizzy hair and makes it very soft and shiny, prevents split ends and hair texture, strengthens hair and boosts hair growth. Now the ingredients are jojoba oil, rosemary, vitamin E, keratin, hibiscus extract, argan oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, and the texture is also very thick and has a very nice fragrance to it. So how I like to use it, that I apply this after shampooing my hair on the ends of my hair and keep it for 5 minutes. I would prefer it for 10 minutes, but if you don't have time, keep it for at least for 5 minutes and then wash off your hair. Your hair definitely will feel very fresh, very shiny and very smooth also.
Now the last product, which is this Clovia Botanica Pink Clay Face Mask. Let me show you the box. I mean, I am in love with this product again. this particular face mask has Himalayan clay, which is very good for providing hydration as well as cleaning out your pores. So if you're someone who uses makeup, or even if you use skincare on a daily basis, so I like using this once a week on weekends, or I can use it on weekdays also when I'm very very tired. And the texture of this mask is so lightweight. It is not like your regular clay mask. It does not dry out your skin. Even you can use this during winters. Right now when I use it, my face does not feel very dehydrated. Generally clay masks do that, but this does not do that to my skin. It provides the hydration, also it boosts collagen, and yeah, it will cleanse your skin from within. Very important to use face mask at least once a week. It just detoxifies your skin.
Now this mask is enriched with organic extracts like Himalayan clay, Australian clay, seaweed and pomegranate for an instant glow. It soothes your skin, detoxifies and has anti-aging properties. I like to apply it with the spatula itself and leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. It has Himalayan clay which cleanses pores, soothes oily skin and treats acne. Australian clay will shrink open pores and seaweed treats acne, and it also tightens your skin. I really feel rejuvenated after using this and my face feels really clear.
So guys, that was about it. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and I had so much of fun shooting this. So I am really impressed by their line, and I think I will be buying many things. And this is not a sponsored video. I am just telling you my honest opinion. So I like this brand so far, and this brand looks very promising to me. So yes, let me know if you are using anything from this brand. I would love to know from you. And yes, it did help in curing my hair fall, but then I want to use it more to I will let you guys know how I feel about it, the final review. But for now, it has it has stopped my hair fall to a great extent. Okay guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.